Hey, what's up guys? Edward here with another video. Today we're going to install a 2-inch lift on this Jeep Gladiator that belongs to a YouTuber and a buddy of mine, Potato Jet. If you don't know who he is, definitely go check him out. Let's go. Alright, so the suspension we're putting in today is from Mopar Performance. It's about a 2-inch lift and it's made for the 2020 Jeep Gladiator JT. The parts included are 4 Fox shocks, 4 coil springs, 2 coil spacers, 2 front control arms, and 2 sway bar end links. Alright, so I'm not going to go in depth with how to install this lift. It's fairly simple, but there are a couple of things that I want to walk you guys through in order to get this installed successfully. One of the pieces that we struggled with was loosening the brake lines enough to where there wasn't too much tension on them. There are clips in between the body and the chassis of the vehicle that you can undo, but even doing that, you're still pushing the limits of too much pressure on that line. So just be super cautious with that. Another pain in the butt is undoing the bolts for the control arms. From the factory, these bolts are tightened super tight. So we had to use a pipe in order to break the nuts free. Once we tightened up everything in the rear, we moved on to the front of the vehicle. I wouldn't say the front is more difficult than the rear. But you do gotta install the new upper control arm in the front. And this did take a while to finagle and line up properly. At the end of the video, we shake down the suspension and Gene's friend, Matti Haapoja, comes along with us. If you don't know who Gene and Matti are, I'll definitely link them down below. These guys are super influential on YouTube and have a massive following. And watching them shoot videos is super inspiring. I want to also give a huge shout out to Ronald for helping me last minute install the lift. Thank you, bud.
And it's like, okay, fine.